Well, hello everybody, how we doing? I've missed you all. I'm now back off my holiday. I've just driven in the car from Cornwall to Dunstable to pick up the bike from HBB Motorcycles, where Darren has been looking after it for me for a couple of weeks. Let's give her a bit of a Kawasaki cuddle. So she's had new water, new oil. She's had all the fluids changed, i.e. brake and clutch fluids changed. Air filters had a good old spring cleaner, was really dirty. Darren did send me a picture. I'll try and put the picture up here of how dirty the air filter was, and that's just in a year. Yeah, I did it at the beginning of this year, so less than a year, so I think I'm going to have to clean that air filter every 6 months probably. But I do a lot of mileage, although my mileage has been down between MOTs this year. It's about 13,000, which is low for me. I'm normally nearer the 20s, so yeah. So she's had a bit of a cuddle. She's had an MOT as well. Darren's MOT'd her as well, so we're all set and good. And she's had a new rear tyre on it because that one was low, but the front tyre's all good. And I'm riding it at the moment with none of my panniers on or top box on or anything, because it's unfair to Darren to leave all that stuff on while he's working on it and I'm on holiday, so he don't need it, so they're all at home. I shall be putting them on later. And hello to Swan Norfolk, where we go for our bike meets usually. We might be there next week, who knows. So yeah, so she's had a Kawasaki cuddle from Darren, a good old bike, and she's a new MOT and she's all ready to go for another year. And I'm now back off my holiday. I'm going to go home and chill out and relax. And holidays are nice, but it's also nice coming home and getting in your own bed and sitting on your own settee. Come on, away you go. Thank you. So, I hope you've all been well. I'll start doing some more videos. He needs some lights on his bike. I'll do some more videos now. I'm back. I've had my vacation in my cage and I'm back. Well, it's nice speaking to you all. Fuel crisis. What fuel crisis? Oh, don't get me started on that, idiots. But you can wait. You can wait. Stay. Good boy. Thank you. And yeah, I'll start doing some more videos soon. And there is no fuel crisis in the UK. We have fuel, so stop panic buying, you idiots, I think is the expression there. And I've just driven my car all over Cornwall and I've managed to fill it up, no problem. Maybe people down there aren't as maybe the people down in Cornwall have a higher IQ than anywhere else, who knows. But anywhere that's got fuel at the moment, you've got rather sensible people. Anywhere that hasn't got fuel, you're rather not sensible people, shall we say. Anyway, I do hope you're all keeping well, you're looking after yourself and you haven't missed me too much. And I'll make some more videos, so stay well. Keep safe, rubber side down, shiny side up everybody. Look after yourself, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now, goodbye.